Okay, we're going to do a video today on how to change this armrest knob on the Range Rover Sport. It's the same on the Freelander 2, Disco 3, Disco 4, P38, Disco 2, loads of them. So if you've got this sort of plastic looking knob thing there, and what is the purpose of this knob? So this is this is your armrest. So you obviously got two armrests. You've got one on the passenger and one on the driver's seat, and you spin that and it just changes the angle that your armrest. So I guess when you're driving, do a little emulate driving. Look at that. When you're driving, you can rest it. Oh gosh, you got little arms in. There you go. Look at that. So when you're on a nice long drive, you can get it right. But these plastic things, they look a little bit grisly and cheap. Now on the Range Rover, the new Range Rover Vogue L405, the SVO group, which is Special Vehicle Operations at Land Rover, produced these really dazzly looking ones, and they're pretty cool actually, and they got a nice little rubber bit on the end. They got a nailed finish, and these were astronomical. I think they're like £750 each from Range Rover. So we thought, why don't we get something like this made for the early models, because they're not available, and these ones for the later models won't fit because it's got this collar that it fits in a different way. So we've had some made here, and we've got them made here so they fit the new model, and we're going to show you how to whip the armrest adjuster knob off and how to fit this one and have a look what it looks like. So basically it's no more complicated. It's on a little spline shaft. In fact, we've got one here removed, so I don't know if you can see with the quality of my camera, but it's got like a spline shaft, so there's little grooves down here, so it literally just pulls off. Have we had that one off before or not?
I don't think we have.
I don't think so.
They can be
a little bit. You might have your elbow through the windscreen, but inside there you've got little, and in fact if you just hold that one in and then we'll hold the new one next to it, you can do a little demo of that. So they should all fit. There we go. Right, so the new one is a question. So it's got like a plastic insert. Now you will have to sort of tap them on. When you tap it, it should be by hand, but if you do need to tap it on a little bit firmer, put something like a book or a magazine over the end here when you drift it on, so you don't damage the finish at the end. So there we go, and that's let's have a look how they look. So I'll say, yeah, they'll fit the Disco 3, Disco 4, Freelander 2, P38, Discovery 2. So good luck with that.